Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming back on today with 3 more challenge entries. Yay! So excited. I'm going to jump right on in and get started. This first entry is from Fun Paper Art here on YouTube. And this is how her package came, and I'm just going to take this off so I can open it up. Oh my gosh, look how super cute. Oh. All right, I'm going to open up her card first. Oh. If I can get it open. It says, pretty girl. Oh, this is a cute note card. I remember these. It says, hi Erica, congratulations on reaching 11,000 plus subbies on your channel. You sure deserve even more. Really love your channel and your amazing, inspiring ideas. Thank you for the opportunity to participate in your challenge. Many crafty hugs, my friend. Your new friend, Mary Ann, Fun Paper Art. Oh, thank you so much, sweetie. And you guys definitely show her some love. I know she has a YouTube channel. I am subscribed to her. Yay. And then she had these really pretty stickers in her card. Thank you so much. Those are beautiful. I will put them with my planner. All right, so let's get to her mini loaded bag. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. Look at those sweet bears. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's take them out. I didn't watch her video all the way through because you guys know I wanted to be surprised when I opened up your package. I will go back and watch the videos so that I can figure out what you guys did and how you created them. But look at this adorable tag. I love it. It's a little bear, and he's in a mitten, not a mitten, yeah, a mitten. Oh my gosh, and then it says sweet. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. And there's the back, and I can write to and from. Absolutely adorable. And she made 2. Oh, and this one is a girl. She has a bow. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm gonna have to see how you did this. So cute. It's nice and sturdy. Thank you so much for that. And let's check out her memory decks card. And it says Paris. It's a Parisian theme. She's got a beautiful Eiffel Tower with some pretty bling. That's gorgeous. And I think she used a heart punch right there. Oh, I love your memory decks card. And okay, good. She didn't put all of her address on the back. It says Fun Paper Art. That's her channel. And she's on Instagram as well and Facebook. And there she is. There's a little picture of her. So sweet. Thank you so much for participating. And I'm hoping your address is and everything is on this. Yes, it is. Perfect. Cute little idea to add a little pocket right there with your information. Love your entry. Thank you so much for participating. All right, up next, I have this next entry, and this is what it looks like. I just took it out of the package, and it's a beautiful bag that says yay, and then congratulations. Thank you so much. And we're gonna find out, this is Katherine Benjamin. I'm not sure of the first name, so we're gonna find out together who this is. Thank you so much for participating. I truly appreciate it. All right, let's start with her card. Oh my goodness, okay. Oh, look at her card. It's a cute cupcake, super pretty. Hi Erica, congrats on that fantastic subby count. Thanks for hosting a challenge that was fun to make. You are such a sweet inspiration. Hugs and blessings, your crafty subby, Katherine Benjamin. P.S. a video was posted. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Katherine. Thank you for participating, and we're gonna open up her entry and see what she has created. And this is her mini bag, and this is how she has it all packaged up. So nice and sweet, and I'm trying to get it out of the bag. There we go. All right, so here's her mini loaded bag. It says a pinch of this, a dash of that. Oh, that's super cute. I think those are stickers, and she's got her pretty apron with the tablespoons. All right, let's look at her tags. Oh, it says what's cooking, sunrise flower. She's got stickers and dimensional cakes and a beautiful flower. I love the colors, and I like the paper that you used. And look at her pretty trim up top. Gorgeous. Thank you so much. I love your baking tag. And then she's got one more, and it's slightly different. And again, she used these really beautiful dimensional stickers, maybe Jolie's Boutique. And it says fresh from the oven. Oh, that is adorable. And I love the flower that you used and the pretty trim up top. Love it. Thank you so much. All right, let's check out her memory decks card. And here it is, and it says, "Hello, sunshine." And she's got the cute little owls with the adorable flowers that are all stickled up, all nice and shiny and pretty. Thank you so much. And it says, "Hello." I think she die cut that out. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me just show you. This is her name and also her YouTube channel. So that's where you can find Katherine. So super sweet. I love your memory decks card, and check out her mini loaded bag. It's so super cute. And she's got a little bag of cookies right there and a pretty little bow. Absolutely adorable. Thank you so much for participating. And she also included some pearls in lavender for me to use. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate these goodies, you guys. You guys have spoiled me rotten, seriously. All right, thank you, thank you. Up next, I have Alicia Healy, and I'm going to take her package out of the box. And I already took it out of the bag. She had it packaged in this really pretty cellophane bag. And I'm going to show you her card and look at her handmade envelope. All right, so let's open up her card. And it says, "Believe, always believe in yourself." Oh, that's so pretty. Thank you so much. And let me just open it off to the side. Hi, Erica. Thank you so much for your inspiration. I love everything you create. Oh, thank you so much, Alicia. And then on the top of the card, it says, "The best and the most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart." Oh, that is so sweet. I love your card. Absolutely adorable. All right, let's take a look at her mini loaded bag. Oh my goodness, look at all of this going on. It's beautiful. She's got a crochet flower. Do you crochet? Look how pretty that purple flower is. And it says, "Live happy." And down here, she has some dies and it says, "Love." I love the foam dies. And then look at that pretty trim on the bottom. It's really pretty. It's like some type of netting. If I can get a little closer, some type of netting on her bag. It's really pretty paper. I don't know what kind of paper she used, but it's gorgeous. Thank you so much. All right, let's take out her tags. Let's see what she created. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's the first one. It says, "Kiss the Cook." And she's got an adorable mixer with a heart and a really cute blingy bow. And I love the purple tulle. And then she has this pretty tag right here. I think maybe did this get stuck? Oh, it's just layered on top. Oh, that's cute. And it says, "Hello." So like an acetate tag. Oh, that's really cute. That is creative. Thank you so much. And then she's got this pretty one with this glitter paper. It says, "Baked with Love." And she even has some tiny hearts on her salt and pepper shaker. Super, super cute. And then look at this one right here. It says, "Kiss the Cook." And she used one of her dies. And she has her spatulas and her pretty bow. Super adorable. Thank you so much for these handmade tags. She sent more than 2. That was so nice. And then here it says, "Shine" and "Smile." And she's got a beautiful bow right there. Thank you so much. Let's check out her memory decks card. And she's got one more thing. Oh, it says, "Friends buy you lunch. Best friends eat your lunch." Oh, that's super cute. So she has a handmade embellishment in there for me. Thank you so much for that. Oh my goodness. Let's check out her memory decks card. It says, "Friends make everything beautiful." And she's got a really pretty dangle right there. Isn't that gorgeous? And I don't know how you did this. It's like a paste, like one of those pastes with glitter. Maybe it's the Bow Bunny paste. It's beautiful. And she's got a really pretty tag right here. Oh, and then the charm hanging off of the tag. It's gorgeous. And she's got a pretty bow clip right there. Let me just turn it around. Oh, and there she is. Look at the back. It says, "To Erica, the beaded brain." And then there's her name, and that must be Alicia. Oh, thank you for including the picture. Oh, that's so, so sweet. And I'm going to assume that all of her information is in this pocket. So that is absolutely adorable. Thank you so much for participating, Alicia. You guys, please leave a comment. Tell the ladies what you think of their creations that they made. And I will be back with more entries. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.